below us. Hadir has reinforcements in position to manage them.
We're easy prey for the Russians out here.
Yes, our window is short. Barkov's men will be on the hunt. He has lost control. He will come to take it back. Is it all? Let's move. We have to cut the wolf off at the pass. Before the war, this village had families and laughter.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Tell me a joke.
What happens when the CIA goes to sleep?
What?
They go undercover.
Not bad.
Probably better in English.
You told it in English. Kalian Arab. Hadir took the high ground for us. My father called Hadir Shabal, his little lion.
What happened to him?
He died, fighting.
قوات القتلة الخاصة أدمين سيدتي.
خبرنا شو بصير. Alex, this way. Hadir is waiting for us. I told him to bring everything he's got.
Alex, check this out. 338 Lapua, armor piercing at 600 meters. I put it together myself. Please, use it.
Solid heater.
Protect her with your life. She will do the same for you.
Thanks, Hadir.
Perfect for this distance. I'll spot for you, Alex.
We are brothers now. Make me proud, Alex.
Lie flat. It will help steady your shot. Look through your scope. Let's get you dialed in.
Got it.
Ali, التقي بالباقيين.
حاضر معلمتي.
Stay with him and you'll see my team near the road.
Yep, I see him.
They'll support us when we attack the Al-Qatala convoy. Riza, حط لنا هدف جنب الباص.
تكرمي بنت العاب.
انتو اخواني. Vertical notches adjust for distance. Each one is 200 meters.
صار جاهز.
هتموا تفجير. The target is 400 meters away. Aim 2 notches above it.
2 notches, got it.
The wind will push your shots off target. Use the flags for direction. Shoot against the wind.
Done.
Now fire. Hit!
She speaks to you, Alex.
My brother, your biggest fan. Let's try another target at a different range. There's a blue house in the distance. Can you see it?
Visual on the blue house.
There's fruit on the icebox. Range 600 meters. Fire when you're ready. Almost. All right. Hit.
تسويبك ممتاز.
I heard that.
Yahayowen. Pay attention, boys. You should be dialed in now. Remember, use the environment to your advantage. Flags for wind direction, landmarks for distance.
Understood.
Good. Now, watch the highway for activity. They won't be long now.
Nothing but the wind.
I got something. By that moving oil pump.
Just some strays.
Keep scanning the road. The wolf will be here soon.
مركبي وحدة جاي من الشرق.
ماشي. لا تهاجموا. They spotted the vehicle. Right side. Could be the wolf or his men.
Looks like we finally got some company.
They're scouts for the wolf. Hold your fire. Wait for a clean shot. Ali, شايفون شي؟
عم يعرف شو الصنع.
Eyes on the roof, Alex. Two on the roof.
Yep, I see him.
400 meters. Fire when you're ready. Good hit. One more. Nice shot. Two of the wolf scouts gone. Ali, yalla ruwa. Hadir is resourceful. He has them setting a trap for the wolf's men.
Alex, cover the team rigging the truck.
Killing the wolf doesn't guarantee us the stolen gas.
True. What happens if you don't find it?
I have to.
المتفجرات صارت جاهزة بنت العم.
ماشي. انتظروا الإشارة. The wolf's men will have to move the truck to pass through. Wait until they're close, then detonate it.
بنت العم، شايف موكب جاي من الشرق.
مفهوم. ديروا بالكم على حالكم. The wolf soldiers are here, Alex. Right side of the highway.
3 Alcatala vehicles.
I see. Check fire. Let them get in range.
لازم نهجم؟
لا. خليهم يقربوا أكثر. Closer. Go on. Don't be shy. They see it. They're moving to the truck. Hadir,
I see them.
get ready, Alex. Detonate the truck, Alex. Open fire! They're to the right of the bus. Good kill, Alex. They're taking cover in the building. Hit. Inside the bus. Good hit. You on the bus. Good kill, Alex. Check the windows. The wolf said reinforcements. Hadir, pull your team back.
Shoot it back up.
Do it.
Ali, fall back! Get out of there!
The engines. Stop them.
Aim for the engines, Alex!
It's down. Good hit. Got it. It's down.
Here they come! Mortars! Alex, take them out!
Look for the muzzle flash when they fire!
Eyes on. We're down.
Alex, there is another Al-Qatala mortar team. Take them out!
My sights. Clear. We're down.
Negative. There's still a mortar out there.
On him. Mortar.
Left side! Left side! Stop that truck! Hit the truck! Hit the truck now! Hit it again!
It's getting too close!
Close call. Good shooting, Alex.
The wolf must be coming, or they wouldn't send these forces to clear the way.
Start planting IEDs, brother. Hadir and I will reinforce the perimeter, Alex. Get to the east bunker and resupply for the wolf.
More explosives, Hadir?
Never too much. Same as before. Enemies get close, detonate them. Watch your distance.
Alex, Captain Price is calling on the radio. He says it's urgent.
Please.
Echo 3-1 for actual.
Alex, the wolf fled the city. He's headed your way. The Russians are right behind you.
Get down!
Troops in contact, actual.
Stay low! Don't let him see you!
Copy. On our way.
Stay covered!
Those shots came from the highway!
On him.
Even now!
Wind shifted.
It's much stronger now. We'll have to adjust. 4 notches to the left.
Reacquiring. He's repositioning. He's repositioning. Positioning. Got him.
Good kill, Alex.
Al-Qatala is regrouping across the highway.
This could be him! Russian MiGs!
Barkov's army will be here soon. Sister, smoke! White smoke on the left! Alex, find a way to stop them! Keep it up, Alex!
Good hit!
Keep it up, Alex! need to move.
Need help! Where is Captain Price?
We cannot wait! I've got more firepower in the truck!
Target the
Alex,
building!
follow me! My truck is full of explosives! It's time to use them!
Russian gas.
Yes! And now we send it back to the... The gas mask! Are you the puppet? Come quickly!
Adil! What is this? The gas are around us. What? The gas! The signal from the stop enemy! Stop this gun! Inside! Get off of me! How could you do this?
We had no choice, Farah. All bets are off now.
No. Or like this.
Sister. Sister. Alex. Listen to me. I stole the gas from the Russians. To help us. Only to help us. Tell Farah